Good evening, ma'am. My name is Saranya. I'm from Civil B section with roll number 20BQ1A0177. And today my seminar topic is about 3D printing in construction. Let us know about what is the history of the 3D printing. 3D printing development and research have been under since 1995. In these, two methods were invented. One by Joseph Pegna, which was focused on sand cement forming technique, which utilized steam to selectively bond the material in layers or solid parts, though their technique were never demonstrated. This technique is never demonstrated. And the second technique, contour crafting by Behrokh Navas. He initially started this technique with Knoll ceramic extrusion and shaping method as an alternative to the emerging polymer and metal 3D techniques, 3D printing techniques, which were patented in 1995. And this innovation took two generations to get implemented. As the first generation from 2000 to 2010 was completely involved in researching techniques and applications. The second generation, 2010 to at present, was came into force, and it is being modified by the innovations and uh, new 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 methods. Uh, the first 3D printed house is in the slide. The first residential house in Europe, CIS, was just built in Yugoslavia, Russia, using AMTSPCAVIA company. The printing was started on December 2015, which is assembled with elements of walls with 2985 square meters of area. Uh, Printing of wall is carried out in a shop and they are assembled in the um construction site. After completion of the roof structure and interior decoration, the company presented a fully finished 3D building in October 2017. Around it took 1 year, 8 months to get completed. Construction in 3D printing. Various technologies that use a core method to fabricate building or construction components. Alternative terms such as additive construction are also used. There are subgroups in 3D printing. There are autonomous robotic construction system, large scale additive manufacturing, which is pronounced LSAM, free farm construction FC, and also 3D concrete. There are steps in 3D printing, that is extrusion, powder bonding, and additive welding. 3D printing at a construction scale will have so many applications within the private, commercial, industrial, and public sectors. The advantages of 3D printing in construction includes faster construction, lower costs, ease of construction, enabling DIY construction, increased complexity and accuracy, greater integration of function and less waste. Different approaches are demonstrated uh, to date, which include on site and off site fabrication of buildings and construction components using industrial robots, gantry system, and tethered autonomous vehicles. 3D printing technology uh, was being needed in fabrication of housing, construction components, structural panels, columns, civil infrastructures, artificial roofs, folies, and sculptures. This technology was popular in recent years. That many companies, including some backed by prominent names from the construction industry and academia, are using 3D printing. Mm, this led to several important milestones, such as the first 3D print building, the first 3D printed bridge, the first 3D printed public buildings, the first 3D printed building in Europe, fully approved by the authority, among many others. Construction speed. As the scientist Baruch Noyes first printed 3D house in a day. Further, it claims notationally complete the building in 20 hours of printer. Hence, the technology by January 2013, working on new versions of 3D printing buildings, were printing 2 meters of building material per hour. Now, new generation of printers proposed which are capable of 3.5 meters per hour, which is sufficient to complete building in 1 week itself. And these are the uh, information about the 3D construction. It is very useful and helpful, low cost, uh, and and it is completely a machine process uh, where when we give uh, that sorry when we give the full information in the CAD software, it then prints into the cache say building. It is a good innovation in my opinion, and thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. I am ending. Thank you.